Going to talk about the overall quality of Summosports, how I sent them the images, and also if you're interested, there is a promo link in the description below. But let's hop right into exactly how these show up in the mail. You'll see that they come in these little packages like this, little zipper like so. You can see the size for easy reference. However, some of them, they sort of get settled, kind of like a box of cereal, and you can't quite see the size. So keep that in mind if you order like a bunch of them. I got several dozen rash guards right here for our Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu ministry. How the image is set up is the following. I actually sent them a background file like this right here, and then I sent them an additional transparent PNG file. And I sent them an email referencing my order number and said, these are the images for where I want this positioned and placed on the rash guard. And they sent me back a draft confirming the placement of this. Now, the reason why I sent them two different layers is because this background image right here, that blue camouflage, it's also on the front side as well. However, you can see that there is a different image on the front over the top. So I said, basically use that same image, but here's another transparent PNG file that I want you to put on the front. And by the way, I purposefully put this right here so that you could write your name because when we do a lot of mission trips all over the world, sometimes you kind of want to know who you're fighting. So the sizing is true. I have also ordered hundreds of rash guards from overseas factories, and you have to size up like 2 sizes. In this particular case, you don't have to size up because these aren't foreign sizes. Let's be honest, Chinese people are typically a lot smaller than American people, and so their extra large is like our small. But in this case, you don't have to size up or anything. The last thing I want to point out is what they did when I sent them these files is they were nice enough to add a drop shadow to my file. Otherwise, this white would have blended into the camouflage. So if you look really carefully, you can see a slight little black outline around the white. And that just allows us to have the image on the front pop a little more. And they also put, as you can see, the Summo Sport image on there as well. So we look even more like we are actually sent and sponsored by fantastic agencies. But in this particular case, we represent a whole bunch of different churches. We go all over the world, not only doing self-defense. About 90% of what we do is Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, but we also share the love of Jesus through medical missions as well. So man, it's just the funnest ministry ever. We've been doing it since 2009. We have quite the team that goes all over the world, and I just want to thank Summosports for doing a great job. And we're going to be ordering more rash guards from you guys shortly. So there you go. Go take advantage of the promo code in the description below. And my name is Bo Shevasu. Hope this helps, guys.